Today I will teach you how to draw parrot. Grab your pencil and follow along. Parrot is an intelligent bird. Parrots imitate sound so that they can fit in with their surroundings. If you have a pet parrot, then it's likely that they'll pick up on certain words and phrases that you say. Parrots commonly live between 15 to 20 years. Parrots are known for having a curved beak, with the top part of it larger than the bottom. Parrots love seeds and could happily munch on these all day long. They also eat flowers, fruit, and insects. Parrots feel emotions just like humans do. They can be angry, sad, and happy. Parrots like to sleep in the dark just like we do. Once your parrot associates you as a calming, friendly being who gives them yummy treats, then they'll want to be your best friend in no time. For more drawing factory tutorials, like and subscribe.